Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I am giving you a quick overview for the Redmi Note 10T 5G. Let's start by talking about the design of the smartphone. Keeping up with its Note series legacy, the 10T also sports a massive size. Weighing 190 grams, the phone has a bar-shaped form factor and is easy to hold. The smartphone is also P2I certified splash-proof, so minor interactions with water will not be a problem. Moving on, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack with which you can use your beloved wired earphones. For security, there is a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the smartphone which is snappy. This phone comes with a hybrid dual SIM card slot wherein you can either put 2 nano SIMs or a nano SIM alongside a micro SD card of up to 1 TB. Redmi offers the Note 10T 5G in 4 colors: mint green, metallic blue, graphite black and chromium silver. Now let's move on and talk about the display of the smartphone. Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with a massive 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. This is an LCD screen with a maximum brightness of 500 nits which will give you better black levels while watching content. The display has a max refresh rate of 90Hz, so you can expect a good time while you are playing video games. The screen is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 to aid it against scratches. Complementing the display is a single-piece bottom-firing speaker. So what are the optics like on the Redmi Note 10T 5G? Let's talk about the camera department. We get a triple camera array on the back of Redmi Note 10T 5G. There's a main 48-megapixel wide-angle sensor, then there's a 2-megapixel macro camera, and finally there's a 2-megapixel depth sensor for those portrait shots. These cameras support HDR and can record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. On the front, we have an 8-megapixel shooter. The selfie camera also supports HDR and can record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. Now let's talk about the processor of this smartphone. Redmi Note 10T 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor. This 7nm chipset is 5G enabled, which makes this phone future-proof. As for software, the Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with Android 11 out of the box, which is combined together with MIUI 12. The Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. Now the Redmi Note 10T 5G is available in 2 variants. There is a variant with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and then there is another variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So guys, that was a quick overview for the Redmi Note 10T 5G. I hope you found this video helpful.